You will have 8 minutes to complete your do now. Go. Remember your formula. Your formula is on your penny ankle chart. Who can tell me my formula that I use when I'm finding the volume of a prism, a rectangular prism? Roman. V equals BH. Okay, great job. Now, I noticed that when I was walking around that a lot of you was using the pyramid formula. Did the question ask for a rectangular pyramid? No, it said a rectangular what? Prism. And this is the formula for a rectangular. Okay. So on yesterday we talked a lot about finding the surface area of a rectangular prism, right? So gonna do a brief recap, okay, on finding the surface area of a rectangular prism. Okay, it says a rectangular prism has a base that is 6 centimeters by 11 centimeters and has a height of 5.5 centimeters. What is the surface area in square centimeters of the prism? Think about it.
WH is HL.
Now, I have the base. So my base is my length and my what? Width. My length can be 6 and my width can be what? 11, right? And we're going to call it the base. Correct? Y'all got it? Now, how about the height?
5.5.
5.5. All right, got it. And what makes the base?
The length and the width.
So let's fill it in. So we're going to call it. So we're going to take this surface area a step further, right? So we spent time on yesterday and as our practice problem today on finding the surface area of a rectangular prism. Now we're going to work on a triangular prism, okay? I want you to focus on the board. We know how to. So I have noticed that when you're trying to determine the base and the height of the triangle, you're picking the wrong length. Remember what I said, the right angle square is perpendicular to the base and the height of that triangle. So flip to number 1. And I want you to label your formulas. And I want you to label your dimensions. So I will be coming around to check for your formulas and you're labeling your dimensions. Go. All right, great job. All right, great job. Now I want you to plug in your dimensions. All right, now you are getting ready to start on your exit ticket, okay? Now, remember, it's when doing your triangular prisms, do not forget to use the area formula for triangles. And don't forget to divide by 2 because I have seen a lot of you are forgetting to divide by 2, okay? You may begin.
And how much time do they have?
You have 8 minutes.
Okay.
They rather went down to 8. Girls, track. So I've noticed from the results of your exit ticket that the main one everyone mostly missed was the number 3. And this is number 3, right? Number 3 is us finding the surface area of a triangular prism. I'm almost certain at what point that y'all had the misconception. your misconception, I'm sure, almost certain, was identifying the base of this triangle. Almost certain. Alright? So let's focus on this triangle. The main thing I said was to focus on that right angle square. Right? Because the right angle square is perpendicular to the base and the height of that triangle. So, you want to say that this here is 30. No. Remember, a rectangle is congruent on both sides. So if it's 15 here, it's what on this side? 15. So that means that my base and for my triangle is also what? 15. So we can't forget that part. I'm almost 100% certain that that's where you went wrong at.
Do you
So
see your
now,
mistake on that now?
I'm going to find
Was that
the
what she
area
said?
of that triangle.